Hello everyone, Coach Z here, Prof. Bong Dingri of the Ateneo Graduate School of Business. And this short video is about how to measure and compare brand awareness among different brands in the Philippines. So a student of mine asking for Strama advice, how does he compare? My answer is to include Google Trends as a tool. Now, if you go search for Google Trends, you can easily find it on the web. Click Explore, and then you will add a search term. Okay, and for Jag Guanco, my student from brand marketing this year, 2023, he was actually comparing two beauty clinics, Flawless and Bello. So you can choose to just compare uh, two. So here, if Bello is red, it's showing the number of searches worldwide versus Flawless Face and Body Clinic. Now, you can do this in general and then focus on the Philippines. Okay, so this data says that in terms of Google searches, 6436. So Bello is searched twice more than Flawless, and that is indicative of the brand awareness, brand interest, and possibly the intent to buy. So that's a very reliable data, very specific to these two brands, and this happened over the past 12 months. Now, of course, in Strama, you don't compare just two brands. So he was actually comparing three brands: Flawless, Bello, and Skin Station. Again, in graphical form, you will see the three comparisons, and it's very surprising to me, not being in the beauty business, that Skin Station, which is the yellow, actually has a lot more than Bello Medical Group. So if you look at the Philippines, the ratio is 80% is Skin Station, 13% is Bello, and Bello retains its double the awareness or interest versus Flawless. Now you can leave it as this, or what you can also do is try to already filter and type in Philippines and then focus on beauty and fitness, which is the category. And let's see the comparison. Of course, there are lower numbers, and you will see how they compare through the regions in the Philippines. Perhaps what's more important in Metro Manila, which should be a bulk of the business, Skin Station is searched much more than Bello and Flawless. And overall, if you look at the overall data, Skin Station apparently is being searched a lot over the past 12 months. If you just take away this filter, take away the category, it's still, again, if you look at Metro Manila, it's what, 680/20, Skin Station being the predominant. So this is my answer. You can use Google Trends to be one of the factors you weigh in for your uh, brand awareness, because it's true, it is based on searches done on Google, which is indicative again of the interest of the general population on the brand. This is Coach Z. Keep the end in mind.
And one more thing, if you found value in this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect through my blog or through LinkedIn, so together we can serve.